Morning children, today's date is 10th of August and the year is 2021. Today's day is Tuesday and in our phonics class we'll be learning a new sound. Yes, we'll be learning sound of letter K. Children, the letter that you see on the screen now is called K. That's the name of the letter. So this is the capital letter K. And this is your lowercase letter K. Yes, I am telling you the name of the letter. Yes, they look different because one is a capital letter and the other is the lowercase letter, but the name is the same. Yes, this is the capital K. This is the lowercase letter K. Now coming to the sound. The sound of this letter is K. Yes. So this is very similar to the sound of letter C. Yes. Even that is K. Yes. This is also having a similar sound. K. But we can differentiate this by, we say this as the kick K. Yes. The letter here looks like as if you're kicking the ball. Yes, this is your leg, you're kicking the ball. So this is called as the kick K. Yes. So this is the way we differentiate it. This is the kick K. Sound of this letter is K. Can we all say it together? Loud and clear. The sound of this letter is K. Yes, it comes right inside. K. Okay, now let us have a look at some pictures that begin with the sound K. Few words, yes, with pictures that begin with the sound K. So we have K, kangaroo, K, kangaroo. Yes, this is an animal, it loves to jump. This is K, koala. It looks like a furry bear. Yes, K, koala. And this is what I call kick. Yes, this boy is kicking the ball. So the letter K in the lower case ends the way, just that way, as if the leg is kicking the ball. That's why it's called the kick K. K, kick. Yes, what action is he doing? With his foot, he's kicking the ball. Then we have K, kite. Yes, so we have K, kangaroo, K, koala, K, kick, K, kite. Few more. Yes, we have K, king. Yes, the queen and the king. So we have K, king. This is K, key. Keys are used to open locks. Yes, K, key. So these are few words along with pictures that begin with the sound K. Let's read a short story. Yes, wherein we'll find a few words that begin with the sound K. So the name of the story is K, Kim and her K, kite. Kim and her kite. Yes, so there is this girl whose name is Kim and she has a kite. Yes, with a beautiful picture of a cat in it. Yes, so let's read. K, Kim had a kite. She knew how to fly her kite. Yes, so this little girl Kim knew how to fly a kite. Yes. Her kite was kind of cool. Yes, so the words here kite, kind, cool. Yes, so we can see the sound of the letter K and the sound of letter C is very similar. Yes, it is k, kite, k, cool. But for the letter K, we say it is the kick, k. Yes, and for the letter C, you will learn slowly, we call it the curly k. Yes, just to differentiate. So it is the k, curly k for letter C, and for the letter K, we call it kick k. Yes, her kite had a kitty on it. Yes, a little bit of decoration you can see here. Her kite had a kitty on it. Yes, so that was the story about Kim and her kite. Of this letter is K. K. And the name of this letter is K. Yes, the capital K, the lowercase k. But the sound of both these letters is K. Now coming to the homework sheet. This sheet will help you revise the sound that we did today. Yes, the sound of this letter is K. The kick K. Yes. So you have to draw a circle around the things that begin with the K sound. Yes, so you can draw a circle and color that picture. So we have the first one. Let's start from here. So we have K, kite. Now the word kite, does it begin with the sound K? Yes, so you can circle this picture and color it. Yes, the kite. Then we have lamp. Now the word lamp, it begins with the sound L, as in lumpty. Yes, so we do not circle this picture, nor do we color it. The next one is the kangaroo. Now the word kangaroo, does it begin with the sound K? Yes, so you circle this picture and color it. The next one is the koala. It's a small, tiny animal which looks like a bear, a tiny bear. Koala. Yes, the word koala begins with the sound K. Yes, so you can circle the picture and color it. Next picture is of a musical instrument. It's called the guitar. Yes. Now the word guitar starts with the sound G. Yes, so you do not color it, nor do you circle it. The next picture is of a king. K, king. Yes, it begins with the sound K. So you circle the picture and color it. So this way, you recognize the picture, name it, and see if it begins with the sound K. If it does begin with the sound K, you circle it and color it. Okay, so you can complete this sheet in your literacy notebook and submit it by tomorrow. Happy learning!